Hello friends, welcome to my channel Cosmic Vibes. I salute to the divinity in you. Friends, today I'm going to talk about the trine which is getting activated, which holds lot of value and importance for each and every zodiac. Yes, I'm talking about the trine, the 159 house activation of Kalpurusha Kundli. If we see from the transition perspective, we can easily find that Sun has transited in Leo on 16th of August at 3:57 pm. Mercury the other day, that is 17th August at 5 am. Now at present both Mercury and Sun, they are in Leo in Magha Nakshatra. Similarly, if we talk about 9th house, Jupiter is retro in Sagittarius till 12th of September, and it is transiting there with Ketu. Ketu being in Mula Nakshatra and Jupiter is in Purvashada. And then talking about Aries, the first house, Mars has transited into Aries on 16th August at 3:51 pm. Now, of course, we will later talk about the transition of Mars specifically because it holds a lot of significance. This time it is very unique transition and Mars will be retro for 66 days. But right now we are talking about 159. So Mars, Sun and Mercury and Jupiter and Ketu. These are the planets which are occupying this trine and how it will going to impact each and every sign. Another important point here to observe is that Mars has come out of the Gandanta point to come into Aries. It was transiting in Pisces for last 1 month, and after being there, getting into lot of introspection, soul searching, purification process, finally it has gathered all the energy, raised itself up, and it has come to Aries for action. Similarly, Sun was transiting in Cancer, which is again the watery sign, and it crossed the Gandanta point to come into its own sign of Leo. So we have these two planets which have crossed Gandanta point, another very significant perspective. Let's see for how it holds for each and every zodiac one by one. So friends, let's see how this trine activation will going to impact Leos. Leo, smile. Sun is shining on you and bringing you happiness, relief and vigor. During this time, your long-standing problems will come to fruitful conclusion and relieve you from stress. Benefits will come to you in the form of good finances, and your friends as well as government organization will effortlessly rescue you and help you in diluting your promotion related or financial related crisis. You will feel very confident and feel capable of handling difficult situations or projects. However, be careful not to be overconfident or critical of others. Humble and modest attitude will help you win friends, and their help and support will help you tide over long time nasty situation. Keep your arrogance and self-praise in check, Leos. You are likely to get favors from your seniors or government or superiors and support of your subordinates. You may feel special and blessed with this newfound support system and wonder whether you really was drawn into such a big problems just few days back. Mentally, you will be robust, clarity in thinking, and even a flow of some novel, never before tested ideas. Implement them after weighing the pros and cons, and you're sure to be victorious. The accuracy and sharpness of your decision making will be evident this time. You are likely to pick up some studies or research in creative field. It can either be for your soul or creativity implemented in workplace, which will make you stand out from the crowd. You will be courageous to use your creativity and experience in workplace, which may earn you a promotion to higher position. This time your focus will be on self and personal needs but don't neglect other family members. Give quality time to family and strengthen the familial ties. House beautification or renovation will be on cards. You may replace some old obsolete articles with the new ones and go for some masonry work in the house to enhance its ambience. With new surge of confidence, you might exert yourself socially and go for some charity or institutional work, not for being religious, but to project your own goodness. You may take to some both short and long journeys, which will more or less be of religious nature. You will feel blessed and favored from God while visiting holy places. On health front, take proper rest to recoup from overexhaustion. Take break from overthinking, meditate and take adequate sleep, else you might encounter frequent headaches. Keep self-regulatory check on eating habits, as there are chances of stomach and intestine related ailments. Avoid taking quick actions, be a little contemplative and think of consequences before acting. To execute your plans in workplace, you will feel extra drive within you, which will help you finish your task in timed manner. This time, after introspecting, you might drop some old ways of thinking and even establish self-righteous code of conduct for yourself. You may even have principles-based approach at work and be very vocal about it. Overall, this Dharma Trikona activation will infuse certain values, confidence and ability to act to uphold your established values. You will apply the principles of Kaizen on self, where you will seek constant improvement in your personality by constant introspection, addition and subtraction of traits and values. Wish you all the best, Leos. Love you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications for all future videos.